Hey everyone, welcome back to MegaVerse Builds. Today we're once again at Spotify Camp Nou, taking a closer look at the latest construction progress across the stadium. Please make sure to subscribe so you stay up to date with all our daily progress. Construction activity is now heavily concentrated at the highest levels of the stadium, particularly along the lateral side around level 80. This third cantilever zone has become one of the most critical areas of the entire project as preparations for the compression ring continue to intensify. From this elevation, the true scale of the structure is fully visible, with massive supercolumns already rising into their final positions. On top of these elements, articulation bases are now installed, designed to transfer and distribute the enormous loads that will eventually come from the compression ring and roof system. Moving toward the north goal, progress remains consistent and well coordinated. Several sections show freshly poured concrete, while adjacent zones are still in preparation stages with exposed reinforcement awaiting the next pour. Prefabricated seating units are now visible across much of the upper tiers, and stair cores continue to rise, improving circulation between levels. From this vantage point, the curvature of the stadium bowl becomes increasingly defined, especially where the upper tiers begin to close in toward the corners. The structure here is clearly transitioning from raw framework to a more complete and recognizable form. If you're enjoying these detailed Camp Nou updates, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future progress. Tribuna continues to show strong momentum and is one of the most active interior zones. Walls along concourses, access corridors, and stairwells are rising quickly, giving this section a much clearer internal layout. Installation of prefabricated seating along the first rows of the upper tier is progressing steadily. Along the lateral façade, ceramic louvers continue to transform the exterior appearance of the stadium. Installation teams are working methodically across multiple levels, carefully aligning panels and securing anchor points with precision. Behind the louvers, finished wall sections and painted surfaces indicate readiness for further architectural elements. This area also serves as a vital logistics corridor, with materials constantly arriving. The south goal remains quieter compared to the lateral side and north goal, but steady progress continues. Third-tier seating installation advances gradually, particularly where it connects with the lateral stand. That brings us to the end of today's update from Spotify Camp Nou. Construction continues to advance across key areas, with multiple phases now moving forward in parallel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a daily update. Your support keeps MegaVerse Builds alive and growing.